One of today's jobs, Audi 3.0 TDI. Got a bit of running fault, a bit.
We've had a fan request come through. How many subscribers do we need to get to shave your hair off live on video? Carl's been...
That's your bright idea.
No, it's not mine. No. Promise you it's not mine. I swear, Dan. Come on. How many subscribers do we need to shave her out?
1,000.
1,000? Fucking! I reckon we'll smash 1,000. Is that a deal, yeah?
What's that?
Is that?
What's that now? We'll see.
Only 100. 100. 1,000, and we get clippers out, and we sort it. No, we'll see.
You got gold. 1,000
subscribers, and we're going straight to the skin. Bold.
Yeah. You heard it from the man himself.
That's it. Sounds like a deal to me.
Put it on video.
Right. Connor's had his forehead masked off and then sprayed his on. Anyway, we've got work to do. We've got a job here now. Let's have a look at it.
A strange one, not really a common one. It's making some dodgy noises with revs when it's running at idle. Keeps going in and out of limp mode. Couple of warning lights on dashboard. So first things first is get on ramp, plug diagnostics in, and see what faults we've got, where to start.
Let's have a look. We'll get diagnostic fired up. See what issues we've got. See if we can get it. Customers just bought this from a dealership. I think they've had a little look at it, couldn't seem to figure it out, so let's see if we can figure it. Shouldn't be too hard. What we got then?
So as you can see, we've got a throttle actuator bank 1 malfunction. Cylinder 6 glow plug, which I wouldn't really thought it's going to cause any sort of issue at idle.
Don't worry about that one.
We've got throttle valve stuck or difficult to move. And throttle valve controller malfunction.
Alright, so there's fault codes then. So let's fire the car up and we'll show you where it's doing. It's the weirdest thing ever. I've never heard one do it like this. So let's get it started up and we'll let you have a listen. I don't know if you can hear it. It sounds like a phone ringing. Crazy. And obviously no one's touching throttle. It just drives alright. Just makes that sound. So let's get an engine bay, see if we can see out. It's a little bit noisy in that engine bay, so I'll turn this to a voiceover. So initially what we were thinking were, is this a vacuum solenoid issue? We know like the N75 valve, because we could see EGR cooler pulsing on and off. But then at corner of my eye, I also noticed that the turbo actuator is pulsing on and off. Now that's electronic actuated, not a vacuum, so kind of rules out anything to do with N75. It is very strange. Like I say, it is giving us a throttle body fault, but we don't always take fault codes for gospel because they can lead you down garden path sometimes. But in this case, it looks like we might actually have an issue with that. So in a second, we're going to whip that off and we're gonna check it. See if it's gunked up with carbon. EGR valves can gunk them up with carbon and make them sticky and all sorts, but also you can have the plastic teeth internally are gear driven, so they can shear off, all sorts of stuff. But yeah, we're not going to chase any vacuum issues any further at the moment. Next step we will be to get this throttle body in our hands, and let's have a look at what we're actually dealing with. Looks like it's only 3 bolts, should be nice and easy. 3 bolts, Jubilee clip. We should have this off in 15 minutes, if that. So we've got it off, and worryingly it doesn't look that mucky, to be honest. It looks quite clean compared to normal. It's quite clean, that.
Oh. Oh. Yeah, something's definitely not right. It's getting stuck. And there's barely any resistance on it.
How I feel?
It's not a smooth. It's stuck, look at
it's
that.
Stuck, look, yeah. Yep. So we've got a mechanical problem with that. So next step, I know what's...
Open it up and have a quick look what's inside here.
We know what's going to be wrong in here, don't we?
Yeah.
Get this cover off.
We're going to have some smooth teeth.
We're going to have some broken plastic gears, but we'll take it off and double check. Yeah, we've had this before on several other cars.
Mainly Mark 5 Golfs.
Yep. We've had that petrol one as well, same.
Mark 6 GTI.
Rev or something in it, so yeah. We're expecting to see broken plastic gears in here.
Well,
Nope,
there's
fell
no
out.
teeth, so that's...
Oh, there it is. There it is. That black. Try and get it to focus. Sometimes when you do like a throttle flap, whatever, you have to do like a basic setting. So we've got ignition on. Let's go in and clear its fault codes to start with. So we've got all them faults, what we knew about. Raise them fault codes. So basic settings, let's have a look, see if we've got anything related to do with throttle. No, run inlet manifold, runner motor, no, none of them's what we want. Don't go back. Let's just try adaption. Nope, can't see anything in there either, so looks like it possibly doesn't need its stop setting. It does like a self-test, I think. No, so that's it then. We'll clear its fault codes, we'll road test vehicle and see if we fixed this fault. So we're back running again now, completely fault free. All those noises it was doing, all them actuator surges it were doing, completely gone. We are running sweet as a nut. So if you've got a 3 litre V6 diesel engine, Volkswagen Audi group, and you've got the same fault codes listed in the title, it's worth having a look at this. Hope it helps you one day.